Huwag na.
Wala namang tao, kailangan.
Huwag na.
Wala namang tao.
Sige, huwag na.
Wala namang tao.
Meron na.
Wala.
Huwag na. Ikaw na kayo babantayan kita.
Who's here? Oh, si Pinky nandito. Pinky.
Ayun na yun.
Hi, Pinky.
Sino si
Hello. Hello.
Sino si Vanilla Diary?
Si Nix nga.
Ay, si Nix pala to?
That's Nix.
Hi, Nix.
Nix. That's Nix.
May 27 followers ka na.
Pinasuot.
Kasi Handa. Si Panda daw. Si Panda daw.
Hindi ko alam anong sasabihin. Okay lang. Hi, Chessie from Legazpi, Albay.
Ayaw.
Gusto ko din pumunta sa Sarsag. Ay. Pero gusto ko pumunta sa Bicol.
Where's daw tita?
Masahan na basag yung paso.
Where's daw tita Hard?
She's not here. Hi, Ate Res and
Jen.
Chessie.
Hi, Jen.
That for real look like a filter. I'll put it. I am not having filter issues today. Not today. School? What do you mean school?
Anong grab yan?
Grab car, hindi pwede sa Grab.
Bakit?
Ayan, una lumalabas.
Ba't hindi pwede sa grab car? Eh, paper bag lang yun. Eh, paper
Are we gonna
bag
like...
lang.
Naka-paper bag yan.
Is that auburn your... Is that the color of my hair? Parang no.
Ayun.
This one. No.
Hmm.
Originally, it was like wine red.
Oo, parang wine red.
But then it got, with my brown hair. My brown hair. Si Joaquin.
Ay, kakainin.
Oh, it's Daniela.
May mo kayo inom
Nahanap kita.
May mo kayo inom mo na siya.
Nahanap kita. Kino, uwi na. Are you late? No, you're not late.
Ayusin mo yung hair mo. Ayusin mo yung hair mo. Sugat ka?
You okay?
Okay ka lang? May ano?
Dumudugo?
Dugo na? Dugo? Padala mo tubig.
Inaabangan ko live mo from What's KSR?
Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Oh, holiday po kasi dito.
Oh, Chessie, ang ganda-ganda mo. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Sabihin mo, thank you, Ate Irene.
Thank you, Ate. Good evening. Nandito kami sa kitchen. Tumatambay sa kitchen. Iba naman yung background today. Hindi na siya painting, unlike yesterday. Hello, Chessie. Shout outie. Hello. I can't read that.
Si Kino lang, wala
Stop the live, boss.
natin.
No, I'm bored eh.
Stop the live.
Who's here? Oh,
Sabi ni Kino, stop the live, boss. Who's that? Ang cute lang. Who's that?
ang cute ng mask, di ba?
Magtatayo na daw sila ng fan club natin.
Wala na yung
Binili ko lang to today for Hoshi's birthday. Kasi ang cute. Parang nakita ko siya sa... Ano ba yun? It was like,
Rockwell.
yeah, a shop in Rockwell. And it's so cute. I got it for Hoshi's birthday. Happy Hoshi Day. Indeed. Yes! Happy Horanghe Day. Susuotin ko lang siya today kasi why not? I'm so happy nag-live ka today. I kept my promise. Nag-dinner na kayo, Jessie? Yes, kakakain ko lang po. Nice earring, light blue. Yes! You notice. It's so cute. I love blue. Don't you love blue? I love blue. Blue? Blue. Blue.
Sabi ni Iris, sis, ang ganda na ni Jessie. Dalagan-dalaga na siya. Sabi ate, dalagan-dalaga na siya, hindi na bata.
Your skin is so nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ivy.
Yeah, thank you sa Ivy. Araw-araw sana live mo. Hindi pwede. No.
Best gift na na-receive mo from Ate Heart. Best gift daw.
Paano na yan? Tawagan mo na kami Jessie natin.
Best gift mo daw na natanggap kay tita.
Best gift?
Oh, ano yung unang
Yung bag.
na LV?
Yung bag na, kasi unang-unang bag ko yun. Memorable siya.
Designer bag.
Yeah. It was, my first bag, kaya memorable siya. And it's my
Paano na yan? Tawagin mo na kami Jessie Natics.
Jessie Natics, bakit? Ibahin natin, dapat mas cute. Gawin natin cute. Ay, cute.
Oo, oo nga, Jessie Natics. SG here. Damo siya.
Gawin natin cute. Gawin natin cute. Is Kino still here? Ay, wala na.
Wala na.
Nahuhulog siya. You're so pretty, Jessie. Uy, my cake! My cake! Hello!
Hindi ka daw mayabang.
Saan?
Yan, maganda pala kasi sa'yo kasi hindi ka mayabang. Pinapansin mo kami.
Kasi, hi. Kasi, hi. Tanggalin mo na. Mas cute.
Yeah,
Ay,
tayo
sure ka?
decent.
Ang cute kaya neto. Ang cute kaya neto. Gusto ko siyang suotin pero nahuhulog siya sa ilong ko. Sa ilong ko. Where ka nagpa-lash extension, Jessie?
Yun lang.
Sa New Lunch. Ooh!
Cheesy cakes.
Joke wag. Happy birthday, Hoshi. Happy birthday talaga kay Hoshi. Uy, nakita niyo yung video? Wait.
Bakit?
Kasi hindi ko magamit yung phone ko. Chessy cakes. Pwede. Cute yun. Wait, nakita niyo ba yung TikTok? Yung TikTok
Nakita na nila yun.
ni Hoshi. Yung kay Hoshi. Sure ka nakita nila? Kailangan nyo makita. I'm so sad kahapon kasi naka-screen record ako sa live mo tapos di pala na-save. Oh.
Parang kailan lang. Dati super shy ka. Super shy. Kapag ngayon nagla-live ka na.
Ganun ba? Super shy. Wala lang.
Look.
Anong sagot dyan? Anong sagot dyan?
Are you open na mag-artista?
Mm.
Hindi.
Noon nga, maliit lang to, ngayon nagla-live na. I know, right? Maliit pa rin naman ako. The lighting here is so Chelsea! Bakit? Bakit? Why?
Parang yung mo, yung t-shirt na binigay ni daddy mo. Diba yung may tiger yung taas? Tira mo. Pag nandiyan yung tiger. Nakita mo yung sinuot mo sa Japan? Yung hoodie. Yung
yeah. Do you see another K-pop or P-pop artists po ba? For K-pop, New Jeans. Tsaka 17. 17. Lagi ko na lang na-mention ng 17 pero like 17 New Jeans, Kiss of Life. Medyo Rise. Pero buti wala nang random filter unlike kagabi, diba? Binabuli niyo ata ako. Ng bintang. Ooh, I can do that pala. Asa na yung video nun?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oshi. Oshi. We love you. We love you. You are so handsome. You are so handsome. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss.
Tayo ko nga. Hoshi. Hoshi, diba? Happy birthday talaga kay Hoshi.
Wala, paalam mo siya eh.
Chelsea, wait, kain
muna.
muna.
Ako saglit. Please, babalik ako 5 minutes.
Go lang. Enjoy your food. And don't you know how sweet it tastes? Maglalagay ako ng filter. Hindi na to random. Ako na yung maglalagay. Ah! Uy. Sana payagan ka ni Ate Rusty na matagal live mo. Hindi pwede. Kasi matutulog ako. Ay, matutulog. Matutulog daw. You guys are so cute. Diba? Ang cute natin.
Oh, memorable gift daw from daddy.
Haha, ako din. Need to walk my dog. Live ka lang dyan. Sige, I'm just here. I'll wait for you. Memorable gift from Papa.
Rain. Ay, hindi.
No.
Ano pa?
The watch. Yung aking blue watch. Love ko yung blue watch na yun. Hi, Chelsea from Cagayan de Oro. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Ang ganda ng tiger ko, diba?
Parang anak ka na ganun tita mo.
Okay. Ika.
Wala pa
Ano ba
na.
yan? What's my dinner? I had caldereta. Luto ni Papa. Sobrang sarap. Jessie, sana sumama ka kay Tita Heart mo sa Paris. Hindi pwede, may pasok pa ako. I mean, I had school when she left.
Ano yan? Any message for me? Who? Jace Rodriguez? Any message for me?
Sarap, caldereta. Siyempre, mas masarap pa dahil luto ni Papa. Uy, Father's Day na bukas. Father's Day na bukas.
Ano gift nila kay daddy nila? Wala.
Dapat bumili kayo ng gift para sa papa niya.
Or gumawa ng card. Sabihin mo, gumawa sila ng card.
Yeah. Or card pa din. Yeah, card. Card or gift. Para sa papa niya.
Sino si Bright?
Thai actor.
Ah,
You don't know him? Hindi ako fan, pero I watched some of his shows. And he's good. I guess. Very good looking. Si Ate Rusty po bang kasama niyo? Ang cute. Hi sa kanya.
huwag mo ibabaling sa akin. Ito ka-stop ko lang.
Ay.
Wala ka ng bantay. Uwi na ako.
Basta nandyan siya. Nandyan si Ate Rusty.
Wala kang bantay.
Papa-end niya daw yung live.
Wala kang bantay.
She's gonna force me daw to end my life. Life? Live.
Live na. Magaling ka daw mag-Tagalog. Yeah.
Magaling po pala kayo
Magaling siya
mag-Tagalog.
mag-Tagalog.
Siyempre.
Pilipino tayo.
Yes.
Bait ko daw. Totoo ba yun?
Hindi kaya.
Ulit.
Hindi ka mabait. Kasi pinapo-end mo yung live ko.
Hindi, pag wala na ako kasi wala ka ng bantay.
Ah.
Paano kita babantayan?
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Valid.
Magla-live ka pag may bantay. Pag Tagalog ka lang daw hanggang matapos live mo. Ay, bawal mag-English.
Tapos, wala na. Tapos na yung challenge. Nag-English na. Hi dear, are you planning to go to Carrotland? I can't go to Carrotland. Unfortunately.
Pero may conflict sa schedule. Ask at Michelle. May conflict tayo sa Karatlan.
Yeah nga, kaya hindi tayo makakapunta din.
Pero magkukorea tayo, diba?
I guess, pag binayagan.
Ay, Ate Res.
Hi po, Ate Rusty. Alagaan niyo po Chessie namin. Alagaan mo daw ako.
Huwag ka na mga alagaan yan. Diyan pa yan, diyan mga yaya ni Hilda mo. Lagi ka nga alaga yaya mo. Love na love ko nga doon. Oh, yun oh, tingnan mo. Oh. Ipa-video mo nga doon. Ibaling mo nga doon. Ang yung oh yan. Yan si Ate Hilda. The best. Yeah.
What if OT13 World Tour? Sana nga! Bago mag-enlist si Jonghan. Diba? Kasi ako, iyak talaga ako pag nag-enlist.
Weirdest gift from Ate Resty.
Weirdest gift? Yung Christmas gift mo. Yung Christmas gift, binigyan ako ng Christmas gift ni Ate Resty. Tapos yung balot, mukha ni Verno. Hindi, mukha ni
Ni Hoshi.
Ni Hoshi and DK. Yung wrapper ng gift, mukha ni Hoshi at DK. Yeah, yun yung weirdest gift ko from Ate Rusty.
Who's your bias?
Si Hoshi po. Si Hoshi tsaka si DK.
Sino pa? Dino. Hindi.
Hindi kaan. Pero mahal ko pa rin si Dino.
Lahat sila pala.
Hair color? Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong pangalan ng hair color.
How old are you, girl? 32, ah. Charot. Thank you, girl.
How old am I?
16.
16. 16. Sino si Ate Resty? Hehe, curious lang ako. She's Ate Resty. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain kung sino si Ate Resty.
Saan mo nabili earrings mo? Sa MCAT ba?
NCAT. This is from NCAT. It's from NCAT.
Uy, nabili lahat sa Magnolia?
Ay, hindi.
Saan? Ang ganda pala.
Nung nag-chibo kayo ni 30.
Ah, sa Glorieta.
Yeah. I got it from NCAT. Happy birthday to your bias, our tiger. Yes.
Oh, malis na bisita.
Alin po?
Ang tangkad naman ang bisita ni daddy mo.
Whoa! Whoa, that's like 7. No? Oh, sorry.
Saan mo nabili yung bracelet mo? A gift from Kino.
This one, right?
Baka makisali mo.
This one? It's from Kino.
Baka makisali si daddy mo.
He bought it in Boracay. Pasalubong niya sa akin. Tsaka ito hair tie siya, hindi siya bracelet. Hair tie siya, hindi siya
Sino bigyan
bracelet.
ng bracelet mo, ita? Tita?
Si Tita Kurt.
Ang ganda ng bracelet pala na yan.
Alin?
Ang bigay ni tita mo.
Yan nga.
Dagdagan mo kaya yan? Ano yung hindi natatanggal? Dagdagan mo. Di ba meron ka pang ano? Ganda daw ng diamond. Oh, from Tita Heart.
Meron ako yung blue, kaso lang takataw suotin. Kasi
Bakit?
mahulog. Medyo loose eh.
Alin? Yung lock?
I think so.
Paayos natin.
Happy Father's Day nga pala sa daddy mo.
Yes.
Best dad. Best dad. Tapos, best dad. He's, very... Hi, McKenna!
Oh, what's ba ka na? Ano naman siya ng live mo?
Huh?
Ang live mo si Makaya?
Hindi, nakita ko lang siya dyan.
Oh my God.
So, nag-hi lang ako. Hi! Why Papa, not Daddy? Gusto ko lang. Ang cute kasi ng Papa.
Bakit devil?
I don't know, is it? I don't know what Mariana. Pero Daddy also likes to be called Daddy, pero I like to call him Papa.
Tell us about your prom. How was it?
Prom was nice. Prom was great. It was, I guess, a new experience. Because I've never been to prom. And the food was great. Yun talagang highlight ko. The food.
How about the dessert, ate?
Hindi ko na nakain yung dessert kasi sumakit yung tiyan ko.
Kasi hindi ka sanay kumain.
Sumakit yung tiyan ko sa prom. TMI. That's TMI.
Ganda ng skin mo, ate.
Mukha lang.
Wala ka ng
Mukha lang.
pimples, eh.
Hindi, meron akong maliit, pero hindi lang siya kita.
Mag-IV na lang next week.
Your hair color suits you so well. Thank you. I want it more red.
Meron ka na palang hair dito. Ayan, pa-laser natin. What happened to your...
My thumb, I peeled the skin and it bled. So I had to put band-aid. Kasi dumugo siya.
Sabihin mo, dito siya i-heal mo. Palapitin mo siya, palapitin mo.
It's Yaya Hilda.
Ayun ang dali mo. Nakalive ka, sabihin mo. Sabihin mo.
Daddy, come here.
Pakiinit yung ano.
Nakalive yan siya, Sarah.
Daddy, come here.
Anak, don't go like that.
Today lang, last na to. This is the last na. I'm not gonna go live anymore.
Don't do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Who's talking to you there?
Mga, ano, carrot.
Ay, itong code mo kaya.
Please. Sige, wala pa.
Wala po.
Pakilagay ito ron.
Dito kasi Kino, sir, eh. No?
I don't wanna bleach my hair because it's scary. Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Kasi may doon sa daddy mo.
Daddy's horong head daw.
Huh?
Horong head daw. Yay!
Anak,
Yes.
you can do cheat day today.
Your papa so cute. Daddy, ang cute mo daw. Pa. Pa, 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 pa. Daddy.
Wow.
Daddy.
I'm not cute, anak. I just love you.
No, they're all saying you're cute.
Wow.
What's that?
Cookies?
Cookies. Can I
Homemade chocolate chip.
Naku.
can I have one? Can I have one?
My friend gave
Go,
it.
ate.
So, it's different
gusto
types.
mo?
You read what you want.
This one.
Have you read all?
I want this one. Ah! Oh my gosh.
But don't remove the labels of the video.
There's two. It's stuck to each other. Okay.
That's it, so.
Ayoko, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, mas nagbagulat ako. Ano ba rin?
Masarap, sir.
Drink mo niya.
Masarap. Tapos yung sauce nung ano mo, kare-kare. Sarap. Gugustuhan Daddy Ray yun.
Daddy kay boss. Anak, I have caldereta. I made it if you want.
Sarap.
For me?
I haven't had a cookie in forever. Forever.
Oo nga, tagal mo na hindi kumain yan. Ilang months na.
Can't taste the small piece.
Cookies? Where are the cookies?
Someone
Ayan
gave
ang
me.
isa.
There are different types of.
Okay, sir.
No, my friend. Read. Which one you like? It's homemade daw. My friend Raj gave it to me.
Homemade.
Grabe, ang sarap.
Raj.
Sarap ate.
Chocolate chip.
Belgian black whatever.
Nutella.
What's this?
May
Sa sobrang sarap na tumahimik na.
Chinandeli.
Their chef does
Sino?
that daw.
Cheer. Is
Wow.
this cheer?
Ano sabi ni Hill? Paano?
Pinagrab na, sir.
Dad, you like Hoshi ba daw?
I like Hoshi better than D8.
Wala.
Remember when we watched 17 in Korea?
Ay, ko
Si Hoshi yung gusto ko lang, di ba? Remember yung umakyat siya?
Kuya, dito ka na.
You forgot.
No, I remember that. You like Hoshi.
Yeah, I like her.
But like, you keep comparing him to DX. Tahimik pala pag
It's from here.
Someone
kumakain.
gave me that.
Yeah. Hmm. Hi, Ate Iza.
Pakita mo yung cookies. May ingit.
You want cookie, Ate Iza? Kasi lang, I'm almost finished with my cookie.
You still have a lot of people.
Huh?
Joke.
I'm not gonna.
How many people do you have?
Food review, 1,000 out of 10.
Grabe.
Ganyan kasarap yung cookie.
Hashi.
Share again.
Happy birthday, Hashi.
Hindi naman siya nagla-live, sir, pag wala siya bantay.
Only if Ate Rusty is present.
Recipe daw ng cookies.
I don't know the recipe of the cookies. I didn't make the cookie. It's Tita Heart! Lali is Tita Heart.
Yeah, I know.
No, Tita Heart's here.
Hi, babe.
Tita Heart will join.
Hi, Tita Heart!
Nakasayuwi si Kuya.
Where?
Clear, oh, water na dito. Kino, hi kayo, tita.
Hey, come here. Come here, say hi.
Pakita ka, Kin.
Go, no? Baka mag-
Dito, dito. Eh, si Kino, sabi mo.
Hello. In the car.
Yeah, in the bar.
Daming tao. How do you know? You just
You can see it there.
see the top left, top right. Where?
Ayun, sir. 5,600 plus.
Happy birthday, Hoshi! Buong pamilya naghorangheng.
I miss you guys!
We missed you din, Tita Hoy. Have fun there.
Bye, day! Bye, guys!
Bye! Ingat!
Okay.
Pag tinagal lang pa niya, dadami ka.
True.
Ha?
Oh no.
Taste. Love niyo yung pinagod.
Is it different from before?
Sabi, Sam.
Beanie dance na daw. It's time to beanie dance. All of us. I had to. Sorry, Daddy. I had to do it. I had to do it. Daddy's Pantropico.
Stop.
No. Sa isang panatropiko.
Ganun. Ano ba ito na daw?
Anak, tikman mo na yung kaldereta. Dali. Tikman mo yung kaldereta, Daddy.
Yeah, I ate the
Inubos nga
caldereta.
niya, Sir Adam.
I like it.
Yes.
Is it spicy? No, not too much.
Not that much. It's sakto lang.
How is it? It's spicy?
Good.
Like it? Good?
Or it's a bit spicy.
Success tayo, Joyce. Hilda.
Is Papa wearing a mask too? No. He's not wearing my tiger mask. Daddy, are you willing to wear my tiger mask?
Yeah.
You're willing? Really?
Tulis Daddy mo.
My God.
Okay, what's wrong? Ikaw naman, nakikisama lang ako kay ate. Ikaw naman.
Daddy, you're so cute. Papa, so cute.
Andyan?
Oh, yeah.
Si Nix, andyan pa natin.
Hi, Nick.
Si Nix, sabi ni Nix.
Where did you get the tiger mask? I got it sa Rockwell a while ago. While, looking for balloons. I can't. I know, right? Happy Father's Day daw, Daddy.
Thank you. Good na, good.
Good.
Hi,
Ano ka na,
Vanilla.
mag-isa?
Hi, Nix.
Maraming daw.
Hello, Nix.
Ha?
Oh my God, Jessie, 1,200 ka?
Y'all saying? Y'all saying?
Nanonood sa live.
Gonna disappear.
Or ano na? Or tomorrow na yung kare.
Tomorrow.
Isang person.
Grabe naman din.
Hello. Isang roar daw. Joke wag. Kidding. Don't do it, Daddy.
Ginagawa mo na ako uto-uto, anak.
No, I'm just saying that. That's why I said don't do it. That's why I said don't do it. See, I'm not making you. I'm not telling you to request makeup by Daddy Cheese.
Tinikman mo to. Kaldereta, tingnan mo.
Obusin.
Kali.
Tikman ko yung sauce lang. Ang sarap.
Anong
Dati,
ulam
dali.
niyo? Caldereta. From made by Papa, made by Daddy.
Papa.
Because I like it, it's cute. Caldereta made by Daddy.
Sige, no, busy.
Kailan ka punta ba, Bacolod, anak?
19.
Anong araw yun?
Wednesday.
My 17 bias is Hoshi.
Kailan ka babalik?
24.
Anong araw yun?
Tuesday? But
Ha?
Tagal mo.
17, 20.
Kasama mo si Dong.
Walang bias si Daddy
Friday.
sa Bini.
Walang ano?
Wala kang bias sa Bini, right?
Monday, balik.
Yeah, walang bias si Daddy sa Bini. Wow, cook pala si San Cheese. Yes. Daddy's cooking is amazing.
Oh, sabi sa'yo, kamukha daw ni Kino si DK, oh.
Hindi talaga. No, no, don't say that.
Ay, nagsabi na, oh.
Tita Heart's back daw. Hi, Tita Heart.
Sino kamukha niya?
Si DK. Look yun.
No, don't say that.
Right.
You're ruining it. You're ruining it. Kamusta yung prom mo? It was fun. Tumakit lang dyan. TMI.
Sarap nga.
Sarap, sir.
See?
May hanghang, anak.
Oo, pero masarap.
See, your own cooking is very yummy.
Kahit tikman mo yung sauce ng kaldereta, sarap.
May konti hanghang.
Lang yun.
Shout out from LA, please.
Fill it out.
Mm-mm.
You want baon?
No. Full.
Dali na rin namin yung kaldereta
What's
bukas.
the color of the bands in your bracelet? I love it. Color, blue,
Too full.
and pink. Who's my bias? Hoshi. Happy Hoshi Day, diba? Happy Hoshi Day daw. Happy Hoshi Day. Happy Hoshi Day. Chef Cheese. May parang bagay.
It's actually better.
O, diba?
This is not good.
Shout out to...
Okay, yung jacket mo na ano.
Oh.
Saw sa.
No, it hurts my nose.
No.
Tito Heart can't say no for a day vlog request, please. No request? No. Tito Heart can't say no for a day vlog, please. Ano yun?
What's that?
I don't know. Bro, wear your mask na. Here's my mask. Do you have a stan Twitter? No. I deleted my ex because I deleted my Twitter because is Panda going to Paris? Is that allowed?
Ano pa? Wala siyang papers eh.
Chessy Cake, I'm back. Wait, dito muna ako.
Chill.
Sa islang pantropiko.
6'5". Yo, stop.
657K.
What happened to my thumb? I ripped some skin off and it started bleeding, so I had to put a band-aid on it.
Magkaya ka lang daw, Ken.
I already said hi, dude.
Nagtago ka kaya kay ate?
No, I said hi, no.
Hair color, it's red. But I didn't bleach. Good eve sa lahat. Girl. Ow! Wow.
Water mo yan?
Water ko.
Ha?
Water ko ba? Okay.
Bless you.
Bro, medyo deep pala voice mo. It's always been deep. Lalo na pag gabi.
Tita Heart, but the content is that your Tita Heart can
Can't
say
say no for it.
you. No, babay.
You smell good.
Oh!
No, Tita Heart
Okay.
again. Kino? Uy, na-accept ulit si Tita Heart.
Red hair that looks brown sometimes.
Yeah, accept daw si Tita.
Hi!
Diyan muna tayo. Jessie, you have to meet, Seth Jade.
Who?
Jade.
I can't see.
Because of your mask.
Ang hirap makakita with my mask.
Siya yun ang live, no?
Hello!
Bored ka?
Super.
Kailan
Pa?
daw dance class mo?
Oh, I'm not sure. I haven't sorted it out with Ate Ira.
Babe?
Oh, Daddy's not here. I'm not sure where he went.
Nasaan na yung cookie mo? Ubus mo na?
Naubos ko
Naubos
na yung
Ubus na.
Oh, wait. There's, a lot
I have a
here.
question kay Kino Escudero.
Ang
Madami.
dami naman yan.
Sino
Grabe.
may question to tita?
So much. Where's the question for Kino?
I have to see his face first.
Ayaw magpakita.
Sir, nahanap ka ni Art. Hindi ko alam.
Tawagan.
Nahanap ka niya.
Dito tayo mag-usap sa harapan ng lahat ng tao. Gaano mo ako kamahal?
Ay, sir. Rar!
Gaano mo ako kamahal, babe?
Hi, Jad. How are you?
Okay naman, sir. Pauwi lang namin, sir.
Tanong si Hart, sir.
Gaano mo ako
Gaano mo daw siya kamahal?
OA. OA sa sobra.
Look at my pack. Look at Prada gifted me.
Chessie, I got
Chessie, look.
cookies.
Oh, you
Prada
have cookies
gifted
then?
me.
Yes.
Ano yan?
It's a gift from Prada.
Ano nga yan?
Hindi pa alam.
Well, hindi ko pa siya na-unbox.
Mag-unbox pa lang siya.
Yung gift,
Oh
yung gift
my God.
ko, yung gift ko hindi kakasya dito eh.
What do you mean?
Hindi kakasya dito sa inuupuan namin.
Yung unboxing, yung gift mo.
Ang ganda. Kairita.
Complete, sir.
Ayun no, ang daming balon galing kay Ayu.
Wow.
Ganda.
Ganda. Nakakaiyak.
Chessie.
What cookie is that?
Is that
White
all?
chocolate.
Oh, sarap.
Sarap.
Is there white chocolate there?
Ingitin mo si Isaya.
Kaya,
White
nga
chocolate ito.
eh. Si Chessie nga ang inggit eh. Ang dami eh.
Wait, let me read. Susan.
My prom can...
Chirardelli.
Parang ito yung masarap eh. Ito.
Ayaw pakita ni Kino.
Ayaw.
Shy.
Ayaw mo magpakita.
Ayaw niya magpakita.
Bakit?
Because...
Wag mo kaming tinatawa-tawa lang.
Tita Heart, bakit ayaw mong pakita? Look.
Kulay ba?
Alin, sir?
Ilagay mo.
Summer.
Bakit ayaw mo magpakita?
Hindi ko nakita po.
Tita who's calling.
Much people.
Those people.
O sige
Nasa
na.
plane pa daw po siya.
Kino!
It's like 3,000 people.
Kala ko,
Ano to?
Nasa plane pa daw siya kanina.
Have
Hindi na siya.
fun!
Palis na siya.
Uy, hindi ko binili yun. Gift sa akin. PR kit yan. Someone saying binili ko daw. It's
Gift
not.
po
It's a PR
yun.
kit. I'm not lying because my husband's there. It's really a PR kit.
yes.
That's why we're here. Okay. I gotta go.
Good night.
Bye, Cheesecake. Bye,
night.
guys.
Is it nighttime there?
No,
No.
not yet.
Morning?
It's actually like
Minus
2
6
o'clock.
hours.
2
Ay,
p.m.
good.
6, 7, 6, 5.
Kaya lang,
I think good
tumatak na ako.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, good night.
Yeah, good afternoon to you guys.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
everybody.
Bye.
Rar.
Wait lang, hindi ako Amerika.
Okay. Should I end this?
Okay, yun na.
Yes.
Bye.
Naaliw ka mag-live.
Wait lang, bago mag-end. Last na. Bago mag-end. Okay, that's